How to fix YouTube Vanced buffering problem. So if you want to fix YouTube Vanced buffering problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps, scroll down and go with YouTube Vanced application. So in my case, I don't have YouTube Vanced in my country. So I'll just showing you an example by taking YouTube. So simply choose YouTube Vanced application. Once you choose YouTube Vanced application, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've cleared your storage and your cache, now you need to go back and make sure that your YouTube Vanced application is up to date. Because if it is not up to date or if it is old, then you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it for updating. Or you can simply go with your Play Store and search for YouTube Vanced and you may have an update. You can simply go and update that. So that's how you can fix your YouTube Vanced buffering problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.